in Hastas, there are two types called Asamyukta Hastas and Samyukta Hastas. Let's start with the Asamyukta Hastas. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kattarimukha, Mayura, Ardhachandra, Arala, Shukatunda, Mushti, Shikhara, Kapitva, Katakamuka, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmaposha, Sarpasesha, Mrugasesha, Simhamuka, Kangula, Alapadma, Chatura, Brahmara, Hamsasya, Hamsapaksha, Samdamsa, Mukula, Tamrachura, Trishula. Asamyukta Hastas, Samyukta Hastas, Anjali, Kapota, Karkata, Swastika, Dola, Pushpaputa, Utsunga, Shivalinga, Katakavardhana, Kartari Swastika, Sakata, Shankha, Chakra, Samputa, Pasa, Kinaka, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Garuda, Nagabandha, Khatva, Berunda,